What's up, DN fam? It's your girl Caniyah, and I am back with another video. Today is going to be something a little bit different. You guys see that you only see me. I'm in a different space and everything. I will be showing you guys this beautiful, this straight headband wig. This wig was sent to me by Vivibabihair. They are an Amazon company. And I just want to say, like, before I even get into this video, that I absolutely love this wig. It is a headband, and I added my own headband to it. It just looks really natural. Like, it's just really giving, like, it's just giving cute. Like, it's just giving I'm a mom, but I want to do something quick and easy with my hair. So before we get into this video, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell for post notifications so you never miss a video again. If you want to see how I got this look, definitely continue to watch this video, and we're gonna get right into it. Okay guys, so this is the box that they sent the hair in. It says Vivibabi wig. This is super cute. I love the color. It got like this color on the back, and in the box it came with the wig, of course. I have that right there. It came with a wig cap, which is actually like my color, so that's a good thing. It came with 3 headbands. I already took them out the packages. They were like in the plastic, but I wanted to show you guys better. So they have this cheetah one, which is my favorite because this is like super cute. You see, I already got something like that on. Then they have this floral print, which is cute too. Then they sent this one, super cute. And then of course they have their logo card with the information on the back. So here is the wig. Here it is right here. I was like playing with it yesterday, so this is like kind of how it came though. I mean, it's not flat iron, but it's still like really straight and silky already. No shedding at all. Like, I literally was like going through it so much and it had no shedding. It comes with combs in the middle. Let me show you guys. So this is the wig. This is her. Here's the inside. It comes with combs in the back and 2 on the side, and then it has the headband part, which stretches. Okay, so I already have my hair in like a slick back ponytail, and I already did my edges, so that's why I have the scarf on, because I'm trying to lay them down. Because you want this to look as natural as possible, your edges are going to be the only thing seen. So I just tried to do them a little bit more dramatic today to get that good look. But I'm gonna braid my hair because I want it to be flat in the back, so I decided I'm gonna braid it up just in a braid. And yeah, so let's put this girl on. I've been really excited to try these. Like, I've heard everybody talking about them, so I'm just definitely excited to see how this is going. I'm really pleased that this hair has no shedding whatsoever. Like, nothing. No shedding. Nothing whatsoever. And it has body to it. And it definitely doesn't have any smell to it like some hair. It has like a clean smell, which is great. I'm about to put it on now. So I have it on now. it already looks natural. Like I don't even have it laid down yet. I'm gonna clip it up so I can definitely secure it a little more better in the back, because you don't want nobody to snatch it off. Like, so, and y'all, this is my first time trying one of these, like I said, so definitely I am pleased so far. Okay, this fits my head so well. Like, it's not coming off or anything. Okay, and there we go. It already looks natural. Like, that's what I like, just with the black part. And it's super soft. Like, I really love this hair. If y'all can see, this is 18 inches and it comes right here. Straight out the back. Okay, this is before I flat iron it. So I'm gonna try one of the headbands that they sent with it. I think I am going to do the cheetah one because this is the cutest one to me. I really like this so far. Like, this is just quick and easy. Like, I just did this in a couple minutes, especially since me as a mom, like, this is like the perfect wig because it's fast and easy. So let me go in with this one. So this is the headband they sent. Okay, it's cute. It covers the black part. Yeah. Here it is. I'm really feeling this. I'm just gonna like probably flat iron it real quick so it can be super straight, and I'll show you guys the final look. Okay guys, so this is the final look to this headband wig, and I just want to say that I absolutely love it. Like, it is super cute. It really looked like I already have on a wig, like a full lace frontal, and I don't. Definitely, it's really the baby hairs for me, but I really love this. Like, I had added I put on my own headband that I have like this one, and I also had this one, but I'm gonna go with this one. But I just wanted to do that to show you guys that you actually can wear them with your own headbands and they still look super cute, and you still don't even see the black part. So definitely, the hair is really straight, really soft. I mean, it's just not much to really say because you already see what's going on. I just want to thank Vivibabihair for sending me this wig. It is super cute, like I said. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it and comment below if you guys want me to do a few more hair videos or like beauty videos on this channel. But also subscribe to my personal channel down in the description below, because I will be doing more videos like this. And if you wanted to purchase this wig yourself, I have the link in the description below. So yes, y'all can go get this. It's super cute. It is super easy to do, and I'm just really in love. Like, look at that. I'm in love. That's all I gotta say. I'm in love with this hair. I'm in love with this wig. Yes to the headband wigs. I definitely will be getting more. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. See you later, DN fam. Love you.